Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Suzuki Splash SZ4. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol engine with a manual gearbox, returning up to 55 miles per gallon, so really good fuel economy. Road tax at just £30 a year, and this is a one owner vehicle. As you can see, the sparkling blue paintwork looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we have a look inside, you see you've got the nice easy access entry to the driver's seat there with a slightly raised driving position. A couple of features worth mentioning: you've got air conditioning, a CD player, and electric windows and mirrors. But overall, you've got a nice clean interior. Being the 5-door, again, you've got good access into the back. You've got plenty of height there as well, and a surprising amount of legroom in the back with the Suzuki carpet floor mat still in place as well. As we open the tailgate, you see you've got the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf, and underneath the boot floor you've also got extra storage to keep things out of sight. Externally, the car comes with 15-inch alloy wheels and rear parking sensors. The car's been independently inspected by an AA engineer who's been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty which can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 7.9% with a zero deposit. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.